welcome to our channel. Down at the allotment again on a Saturday morning. We're just getting down, so opened the shed up, got the kettle on, going to have a cup of tea. Then we're going to look at putting some seedlings in. We'll show you that later on. During the week, Danny's been clearing some of the pile of stuff at the back, putting it in the bushes out the side there, so it's out the way. So that's clearing that end for it. And so once we start with the seedlings, we'll do a little bit of filming, showing we're doing it. So we'll catch you soon. Rob's putting the strawberry plants in. I'm going to just help him here.
So how can I do this? Put it on for where?
Yep. Be careful, you need to tease it through. Yeah, that goes like that. And then kind of tease it through, but make sure you don't snap anything.
I think you went too high then.
Yeah, I think you have. Just dig it out a bit.
Yeah,
There we go.
There's one.
We've got this plant pot that was here when
Yeah.
we got the allotment, so we decided to use it.
Put the strawberries in. There's one planted.
Here's your next one.
There's the next one.
Going in this side.
That's the next one. Yeah, go on that side there.
What you're going to do is you've got to push the leaves in like that. Without breaking them.
Yeah.
You got these from your garden place that you work at?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
Well,
Snap one up. Never mind, we'll still go.
Right.
that's why you've got to be gentle.
Right, we're going to now fill this up.
More compost. I'm now going to take a picture, show my teacher it, and get to work. In a week, then that one can go.
Come on out.
Squeeze the tub and loosens it off. And then we both slips it.
Oh no, you didn't need a trench.
What do you know?
No.
Oh, you're going to put it on top like that. Then and probably next year, probably get loads of strawberries off these next year. Now we get nice juicy red strawberries next year off these.
And if you get other plants off them.
Mm-hmm.
There we go.
There you go. You
Yeah.
just need to give it go wherever you're going to stand it and give it a good water in.
And thank you, and thanks for watching, and subscribe.
There, parrot seed. I put one row in. Just a practice. Need that bit of hook out. the mud is big in water.
Oh, I know. Because they're so small. Show them how small they are.
You got rope? That's how big they are. Tiny little carrot seeds. I've got to try and sow these as thinly as possible. Okay, that's 2 rows of carrots being put in. So we're going to put another row in, but you've seen that, and when we come to put something else in, we'll put the camera on and show you that. So, okay, so we'll catch you in a while. Hi, I'm putting the peas in. So we're planting maybe 2 centimetres apart. I'd say a zigzag. Nice long row here. Cover as I'm going. Hell of a bed, this is full of flickers. Was full of bindweed. Hopefully we'll get a good crop from these. So there you go, this is how you put peas in. That's what I've been told. So we'll catch you later on when we're going to put some more seeds in. So bye for now. These are leeks going in. I think that's it. I need to
Come on.
As you can see, we've already got leeks in, but we've got them from our neighbour. So she nicely gave us them.
You're tiny.
So now we're going out, trying to go out on.
Can you see the muck to push it over?
Go.
Right.
Have I labelled out for you?
Great.
I've still got loads left in there. Come back.
We're going to do another leek trench run. Yes, I'm putting some spring onions in. Got 3 rows here. I think I'd reach you over here. Spreading them out. Nice and filly.
Look, they're tiny.
So. That's that. I'm just going to cover them over now. Put these ones out and get them back in a packet. If 1 or 2 fall out of bed, we may get extra. That's spring onions put in. got to cover them over now, put the labels on, and then that'll be it for today. We'll do a tour after I've watered everything and before we go. So catch you in a few minutes. Welcome back. If you look here, we've cleared all this mound of stuff. That's all disappeared. Probably burn all this at the weekend, even though I'm not supposed to have fires. Rhubarb's doing well up there, apple trees doing well. We've got rid of the big compost bin. I've had all that rubbish in so it wasn't composting down. Now we've got some leeks in, what we got off the neighbour. And I've planted some leeks and spring onions.
Yes.
We've done nothing on this bed. On this bed, under here, we've got carrots. So that's just to show hopefully the help them grow. We'll put strawberry plants in here, and we've got potatoes here, and onions there, runner beans there, and we've put a row of peas in along here. So I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen on the video today, so please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll catch you again at a later date. Thank you.